Hey, welcome back to AVC. This is Matt here, and I just wanted to show you our latest Ford Transit interior kit. When we designed this crate, we really didn't want to ship you a bunch of garbage. So we designed the crate to be built out of proper materials. It's all 1/2-inch Baltic birch. We can use all this stuff if we want to make parts for your van, if you want to build some projects for your garage, whatever it is, it's better material than you can get at your local big box store. So it's all designed around usable material. We also have had it patterned inside. So the bottom of the crate is patterned to become a set of sawhorses, and then you can actually use the lid and the sides of the crate to become your work table. So after you get the crate, you pull all your products out. You can use this as your work surface to help build the van. On the inside of the lid, if you don't opt to use it for a table, or when you're done using it as a table, right now it's patterned for the back door of a van, and then we have some free space in there that we need some inspiration. So if you have an idea, please let us know in the comments below. So without further ado, let's crack this thing open. It's good. So the crate is actually not put together with any glue. No fasteners, no glue, it's just the bands on there. That way there's nothing for you to disassemble. It makes opening the crate really easy. First up in the crate, we have our window frames. So these are gonna be patterned to whatever windows you've selected for your Ford build out. Next inside the box is gonna be the faces for the window frames. These are gonna get glued onto the window frames, and these help hold the windows to the walls with screws later. All right, check out our video. We'll have a video about how to put these windows together, so be sure to check that one out. Next inside the crate is our wall kit. It's gonna be all the sections for your walls as well as your ceiling. The ceiling is patterned for 8 lights. Right now at the very bottom of the crate is gonna be our floor system. This is our insulated patent pending floor system for the Ford Transit. It comes in 3 pieces. Perfect. So here we are to the bottom of the crate. As you can see, the bottom is made out for sawhorses. So if you need a table to work from, cut these bad boys out, put them together. There's your work table. Hey Jilly, what do you think? Yeah, Jilly likes it.